नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome back to Easy Peasy Hindi. दोस्तों, in today's video, we'll learn how to talk about our daily routine in Hindi through simple questions and answers. We'll make this fun and easy lesson for you, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to describe your routine in Hindi like a pro. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's get started. What is the first thing we do in the morning? Yes, we wake up. And how do we greet someone in Hindi? We say Suprabhat. Suprabhat. Now, if you have to ask someone what time do you wake up, you would say तुम सुबह कितने बजे उठते हो? तुम सुबह कितने बजे उठते हो? Now, if you are a man and you say you wake up at 6 in the morning, you would say मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ. मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ. And if you are a woman or a girl, you would say मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठती हूँ. Friends, I have made a detailed video on how to tell time in Hindi. Do check it out. It's super helpful and easy to understand and will help you talk about timings in your daily routine. Now, if you are asking your friends or someone your age, what is the first thing you do after waking up? You would say, तुम सुबह उठने के बाद सबसे पहले क्या करते हो? But if you are asking someone who's elder to you, you would say, आप सुबह उठने के बाद सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? So the तुम, which is for you in an informal setting, turns into आप for someone who's elder to you. And if a man answers, I go to the toilet. मैं शौचालय जाता हूँ. और I brush my teeth. मैं अपने दांत मांजता हूँ. और I get ready. मैं तैयार होता हूँ. और I exercise. मैं कसरत करता हूँ. और I drink water, milk, tea, coffee, depending upon what you drink in the morning. मैं पानी पीता हूँ. और मैं दूध पीता हूँ, चाय पीता हूँ, कॉफ़ी पीता हूँ. और if the answer is I make my bed, मैं अपना बिस्तर बनाता हूँ. Now, if you are a woman answering the same question, you would say I go to the toilet. मैं शौचालय जाती हूँ. I brush my teeth. मैं अपने दांत मांजती हूँ. I get ready. मैं तैयार होती हूँ. I exercise. मैं कसरत करती हूँ. I drink water. मैं पानी पीती हूँ. और मैं दूध पीती हूँ. That is, I drink milk. और I drink tea. मैं चाय पीती हूँ. और मैं कॉफ़ी पीती हूँ. And if the answer is I make my bed, then it would be मैं बिस्तर बनाती हूँ. Now, if you have to ask someone what time do you have your breakfast, you would say तुम और आप सुबह कितने बजे नाश्ता करते हो? If the answer is I have my breakfast at 8 in the morning, a man would say or a boy would say मैं सुबह 8 बजे नाश्ता करता हूँ. And a girl or a woman would say मैं सुबह 8 बजे नाश्ता करती हूँ. Now, if you have to ask what time do you go to work or do you go to school, you would say तुम काम पर और तुम स्कूल कितने बजे जाते हो? Now, if a man leaves for office at 9 a.m., he would say मैं सुबह 9 बजे ऑफिस जाता हूँ. If a girl leaves for college at say 7 a.m., she would say मैं सुबह 7 बजे कॉलेज जाती हूँ. If a boy goes to school at 7 a.m., he would say मैं सुबह 7 बजे स्कूल जाता हूँ. And a girl would say मैं सुबह 7 बजे स्कूल जाती हूँ. Now, if you have to ask how do you go to work or school, the question would be तुम काम पर कैसे जाते हो और तुम स्कूल कैसे जाते हो? And that is talking about the modes of transport. Now, if you have to say I go by car, a man would say मैं कार से और मैं गाड़ी से जाता हूँ. And a woman would say मैं कार से जाती हूँ और मैं गाड़ी से जाती हूँ. The children would say we go by bus. हम बस से जाते हैं. Now, if the question is what time do you have your lunch, if you are asking this question to a man, you would say तुम और आप दोपहर का खाना कितने बजे खाते हो? And if you're asking this question to a woman, you would say तुम और आप दोपहर का खाना कितने बजे खाती हो? And the answer would generally be, I have my lunch between 12 and 2 p.m. A man would say, मैं दोपहर का खाना 12 से 2 के बीच में खाता हूँ. And a woman would say, मैं दोपहर का खाना 12 से 2 के बीच में खाती हूँ. Now, if you have to ask this question, what time do you come back home? To a man you would say, तुम कितने बजे घर वापस आते हो? And to a woman you would say, तुम कितने बजे घर वापस आती हो? And if the man says, I come back by 7 p.m., he would say, मैं शाम को 7 बजे तक वापस आता हूँ. And a woman says she comes back by 5, she would say, मैं शाम को 5 बजे तक वापस आती हूँ. If a boy coming back from school says, I come back by 2 p.m., he would say, मैं दोपहर 2 बजे तक वापस आता हूँ. And a girl who comes back from school by 3 p.m. would say, मैं स्कूल से 3 बजे तक वापस आ जाती हूँ. Now, if you have to ask the question, what do you do in the evening? To a boy you would say, तुम शाम को क्या करते हो? And to a girl or a woman you would say, तुम शाम को क्या करती हो? If a boy says, I play in the evening, he would say, मैं शाम को खेलता हूँ. If a girl says she's playing in the evening, she would say, मैं शाम को खेलती हूँ. If a man says, I watch TV and drink tea in the evening, he would say, मैं शाम को टीवी देखता हूँ और चाय पीता हूँ. And a woman would say, मैं शाम को टीवी देखती हूँ और चाय पीती हूँ. If a man says, I go for a walk, he would say, मैं टहलने जाता हूँ. And a woman who goes for a walk would say, मैं टहलने जाती हूँ. Now, if you have to ask, what time do you have dinner? To a man you would say, तुम रात का खाना कितने बजे खाते हो? And to a woman you would say, तुम रात का खाना कितने बजे खाती हो? And a man could respond by saying, मैं रात का खाना 8 बजे खाता हूँ. And a woman would say, मैं रात का खाना 8 बजे खाती हूँ. Now, if you have to ask a man, what time do you go to sleep? You would say, तुम कितने बजे सोने जाते हो? And to a woman, you would say, तुम कितने बजे सोने जाती हो? And a man could respond by saying, मैं रात को 10 बजे सोता हूँ. And a woman could say, मैं रात को 10 बजे सोती हूँ. And a young boy could say, मैं रात को 8 बजे सोता हूँ. And a little girl could say, मैं रात को 8 बजे सोती हूँ. So friends, this is how you talk about your daily routine in Hindi. Practice these questions and answers and you'll be confident in no time. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, that is if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. See you in the next video and until next time, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.